Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Put Masemula there. Do you know that Masemula can't type an email? The whole police commissioner can't type an email.
Let's end it there. Leader of the EFF, Julius
Njengoba National Commissioner beka testify lapha ad hoc committee, ukhulume ngama-politicians asetshenzisiwe ukuze kuliwe naye. So le nto ayishilo beyi-interesting kimi ngoba ngiyalikhumbula i-politician elakhuluma ngaye. So into engizoyenza manje ngizokucaphunela ivideo yakhe njengoba ade ekhuluma ku-ad hoc committee. Bese ngikucaphunela ivideo lo politician. Sengingaphawula ke emveni kwalapho kodwa ngikubone kubalekile. Khumbula ukuthi ama-politicians angama-leader nabantu abaningi abawalandelayo. So i-information mawuyizwa ngabo kwesinye isikhathi uyayikholwa lo information kanti akunjalo. Yazi ukuthi namuhla ama-politicians azothola ithuba lokumbuza imibuzo bese yaphendula njengoba kwenzekile ku-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ngiyafisa leli politician specifically sengathi lingayibuza le mibuzo ngoba ilona elasazi sathina njengesizwe. Ngicela uzwe la.
44 to 46. The false narrative driven in the media. Do you want to comment on that? From paragraphs 98. And you give two examples where you claim the media has been used and play an active role in spreading falsehoods about you.
Yeah, thanks, Honorable Chair. Yeah, well, some of the media and some of the honorable members, I say that there is a deliberate effort by certain politicians to discredit me and cast doubt on my integrity. In this regard, I would highlight two examples where the media are used and played an active role in spreading falsehood about me. Around May, June 2025, stories began to appear in the media that the IDEC was about to arrest me and that warrant of arrest has been issued, and even reported that I was in my office and I was shivering with fear, similar ways to that effect. And whereas this never happened, and even that time I was actually here in Cape Town, I was not in that office where they are referring to. And this story received some publicity for some days. And a month later, the same similar story also appeared, which also once again attracted public attention. And well, the story was dispelled eventually by the head of IDEC, but it was there in the media. Now, the question, however, begs to be asked as to who would spread such falsehood and what would be the intention. One can only speculate without knowing exactly as to who. We trust our media, we trust that they report with integrity, but I have no doubt that the intention was to discredit me and to undermine my integrity. Also, on the 10th of September 2025,
Ingakho ngithe lento esho General Masemula interesting. uGeneral Mkhwanazi Zulu ukhale ngama-journalist asetshenziswayo. uGeneral Masemula ukhala ngama-politicians asebenzisa i-media ukuze baspreade misinformation ngaye. Uthi kodwa kubuhlungu akayazi inhloso yabo nento abasuke befuna ukuyizuza. Into abangayenza mhlawumbe ukuspeculate. Uyabona manje ukuthi bahlukene kabili. Kukhona uGeneral Mkhwanazi ukhale ngemedia esetshenziswayo ukuze kuliwe nayo, kodwa uyazi nisetshenziswa ngobani. La uGeneral Masemola ukhuluma ngama-politician asebenzisa imedia ukuze baspread i-misinformation noma information engelona iqiniso. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ama-politicians anama-followers amaningi and ne-information evela kubo isheshe ifike ebantwini. Uyamuzwa ukuthi ophethe i-IDEC uvelile washo ukuthi ayikho lento eshiwoyo ukuthi kune-warrant of arrest ekhona against uGeneral Masemola, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi leyo hate ye-IDEC ayinayo i-following noma makhipha i-message i-post yakhe ayikwazi ukubonwa abantu abaningi njenge-politician, into esalisa emqondweni wabantu ukuthi kune-warrant of arrest against uGeneral Fani Masemola. Ngizokwenzela example ngoba ngizokucaphunela ivideo ka-CIC. U-CIC mayikhipha ivideo kukhona abantu abazoyiphinda bayi-reposte leyo video bayishare, information yakhona ispreadeke kakhulu. It doesn't matter whether information legit or not, but uma sekuthiwa lowo muntu loyo njengalo head of IDEC mayisekhipha i-information eclarify ukuthi hayibo le statement esikhona silona iqiniso, ayingabi isathola same attention ebiyitholile ngoba lokhu yena okhiphe lo information angabe sabuya athi cha lokho engishilo bekuyiphutha, nansi information right, bese abantu bephinde beyi-reshare futhi bayi-reposte. Ngifuna ukusebenzisa lelo gama, ithi ngikucaphunele nansi ivideo.
There is a warrant of arrest against Masemola. It's out. I don't know why it's not being picked up. It means someone somewhere is playing politics, and someone they want to undermine once more the independence of our justice system. Masemola is being arrested for what he did with Khumalo in the crime intelligence. Masemola was supposed to be arrested that week when Mkhwanazi had a press conference. So I thought Mkhwanazi's press conference was a preemptive strategy. And perhaps the arrest for Masemola is delayed by that or will be seen as if we are fighting back or anything of that sort. So it's a matter we're paying a very close attention to, because we cannot allow any more people to abuse their positions. Once a warrant of arrest is issued, it means there is some sort of evidence of wrongdoing which must be tested at the court. We will have to make sure that this is followed through.
Ngiyethemba uzwele. Ngiyethemba ukuthi uzwele. Mayiqala ekhuluma uGeneral Fani Masemola wathi kunama-politicians asebenzisa imedia ukuze spread false information about yena. Ngase ngikucaphunela ivideo ka-CIC ekhuluma kwi-press briefing, ekhuluma nemedia. Sayikhava leyo nto leyo ukuthi hayibo kune-warrant of arrest. Kodwa nekuze kube namhlanje kaze kwenzeka uthi uGeneral Fani Masemola oyi-head of i-IDEC wakhipha istatement esishoyo ukuthi lento ayikho, kodwa ayizange imessage isafinyelela ngendlela efike ngayo, ngoba kube wabuya lo watshela isizwe, wabuya waphinde waya kuyi-media wathi cha besi-wrong, bekuyiphutha ukuthi kuthiwa kune-warrant of arrest noma ayisekho, noma cha sebeclarifyile abe-IDEC ukuthi ayikho i-warrant of arrest, i-information ebesiyitholile beyingekho accurate. Alikho icala uma ungasho njalo, alikho icala. Kodwa ngizwe interesting kakhulu lento. Ngizobe ngiyibukela i-ad hoc committee ngesikhathi ama-member of parliament ezobe embuza imibuzo uGeneral Fani Masemola. Kodwa ngiyafisa sengathi bangayicaphuna le ndawana. ikwazi ukuthi enabe kuyo nabo bakwazi ukuthola ithuba lokukhuluma, mhlampe bangasivezela ukuthi le information basuke beyithathaphi bona. Khumbula ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi uthe into ezenzeka ku-crime intelligence umuntu ongesiyimember yayo akufanelanga azazi unless kukhona abantu abathize abalwa nabantu abathize bese belikha information. Usho njalo. Kungenzeka na ukuthi kubhekane nesimo esinjalo. Kunesimo esinjalo esenzakalayo. Yimpi le ekhona elwa mhlampe noGeneral Masemula kodwa isebenzisa ama-politicians. Bese ekugcineni kubuka sengathi ama-politicians lawa kanti impi isuka le kulaba abafida i-information. Kungenzeka na? Angisho lutho. Cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Yengakho ngithe lento ibe interesting kakhulu kimi mangiyizwa. Ngicela ukuze ukuthi wena uthini uphawula kwakho la ku comment section. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwi-video elandelayo. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ushare, ulike, ucomment. Ungasupporta ngokujoin i-membership, ungasupporta ngokusidonate ikhona account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ngiyabonga.